Hi, everyone. Welcome back to this version of Video Visions, Strategies That Work. Today, we're going to talk about concept sorts, but I did just want to take a quick minute and say hello. Yes, I am all bundled up. It is freezing here in North Florida. It's about 41 degrees when I took my son to school this morning. So I hope wherever you are nice and warm and bundled up and enjoying this winter morning. So I will see you soon. So today we are going to focus on concept sorts. And a concept sort is a strategy that's used to introduce students to vocabulary about a new topic or a book or a concept. So what teachers can do is we provide students with a list of terms or concepts from the reading material or from their assignment, and then the kids place those words into different categories based on the word's meaning or something else more specific that we want them to use to sort them. Categories can be created by either the teacher or by the students, and when used before the actual lesson gets going, these concept sorts provide an opportunity for teachers to see, again, what his or her students already know about the given content. So let's look at some examples. So these examples are a math and a science one. The one up in the top left-hand corner are simply different types of geometric terms or figures, and the students were asked to sort them according to whether they were curved or straight. That's a simplistic concept sort. You can get much more in depth. The ones on the right talk about, again, another geometric example that is asking you to differentiate between the shapes. They can sort the shapes on number of sizes, their angles, and other kinds of features. So as you can see, all you need to do is take some wording or some vocabulary from the concepts, and it can be just from the lesson you're working on or from lessons before or lessons they're going to see in the future, and ask them to sort them according to specific characteristics. So think about what vocabulary activity you're currently using. Can you see this strategy being used in place of it, either in your live lesson or to get the kids going when doing a DBA with them? And where would you place it in your lesson itself? This technique is really beneficial when there's a lot of specific vocabulary you want the kids to walk away knowing. It's been shown to be particularly helpful for our ELL and our visual learners, which hits into that multiple intelligences that we want to make sure we're focusing on to make our students successful. You can use a strategy whole class. So with the main room, you can go into breakout rooms and use it as a review technique before you have the kids started on their assignment. There's so many different options that allows teachers to tailor our instruction accordingly. So you know me, I always like to give a little bit of an extension activity or something that we can do to kind of push the envelope. So this is called a generate, sort, and connect type of concept sorts or map. This is where the students or you can select a topic or the concept that you want them to kind of break down in order to gain better understanding. So this is where the kids generate a list of ideas that come to mind when they see that certain word or concept. Then the kids create the categories and sort their thoughts into different areas based on bigger ideas. Then what we ask the kids to do is connect their ideas. This would be a great breakout room engaging activity. We ask the kids to connect their ideas by drawing drawing lines, but drawing kind of those connections between the different ideas that each kid submitted, and then by asking them to elaborate on why they thought so would be a great activity for when they come back in the main room and report out. So talking about our virtual or digital world, we can do digital concept sorts with Google Drive resources. We can use Google Drawings or Google Slides, and this right here is a great video tutorial to show you how to do that. So in with my idea of keeping these videos short and sweet, I'm going to pop back on and say goodbye to you all. I'm actually going to cover up this cutie little kid. Again, if you are wondering where I get all these amazing ideas, please check out the adlit.org. And it is a strategy library of all different kind of adolescent literacy strategies. There I am. And don't forget to check out all of these video visions, which are housed on my Google Slides. I will probably not be sending out a strategy that works video visions next week. Maybe I will, but if I don't, have a wonderful holiday break and a very Merry Christmas, and know that I love each and every one of you and am so blessed to support you. Thanks for stopping by.